Everyone, what I got here is a worn out dog agitator, dog ears. So as you can see here, see it's not biting the sides. There are teeth on the side there, and the dog ear is supposed to bite in there, but it's not, to make this spin. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's let me turn it off. See that thing there? Need for a light. So you see those, sorry, that filthy thing there. See that thing on the side, that one? There's 4 of them, that. It causes the thing to spin. The top layer, the top part to spin, but since it's so worn out, it's not doing it anymore. Right there, you can see it right there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna have to replace that. It's supposed to bite on that where it's touching now. It's supposed to bite right there. There's little teeth on the out. This plastic here. There's little teeth there. It's supposed to bite there, but it's not doing it. See. Not doing it. So, this thing's supposed to go like this. It grabs it. It's not grabbing it anymore. So it's a pretty cheap product. I'm going to show you how to replace it. In order to do this repair, you need a socket wrench with an extension and a 7/16 socket, and the dog agitators. And I've got this in my local parts store. It's kind of pricey, it's like 7 something, but if you buy it on eBay or Amazon, it's much cheaper. That's the part number. First thing we need to do is remove this one. Some of them you have to put a screwdriver here and pop it up. This one just comes out fast. Next, remove the cap. I'm gonna clean, anyway, I'm gonna clean all these before I put it back. Now, you're gonna use your socket extension. There's a bolt underneath there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. For the light, it is a bolt underneath there. So that's a 7/16 bolt. So we need a socket with an extension. S6 extension because it wasn't long enough. It's a longer one. So see how it turns. So you have to kind of hold. You gotta hold the border agitator over there. Otherwise, you're just gonna keep turning it. So I'm gonna put the camera in the tripod. They're gonna hold the bottom of the thing. So you hold the bottom while you're turning the bolt. See? Easy. Now it's loose. Now it's pull the whole thing out. See? Get the whole thing out. And this is how the inside looks like. Ooh, dirt, clean that up. Might as well clean while you're here. So when you remove it, you just put your foot here and lift this up. See, it was easy. I cleaned that up too. Now you just tip it over, and here are the dogs right there. So here's the dog one. Now there's a cap on this one, so I should remove this. So remove this black thing here, and when you put it back, just slide it back. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, this one actually broke off. Now that's done. Now we just make a paper towel and clean this thing. Alright. Now I clean the thing. We're gonna put the dogs in there now. So all you need to do is a little area where you can put it, a little slot there. So you're only gonna go one way, so this way. Drop it, so it's gonna go like this. Drop one there. Drop one there. Drop one there. And in here, last one. Right. Now, I'm gonna put this back in here. Next, we're gonna put this back. There's a little tongue over here, and there should be a groove you can slide it. So just align it. See, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. But just 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So slide them up and slide it down. Not gonna fall. Okay, next you put this back here. You see this thing that's sticking up? This one? Make sure you line up this hole right here. Otherwise you're not gonna go in. So line that up. It goes in. Otherwise if you don't line them up, see, you won't go in. So you've gotta line that up. Now put this back in there. Now see the little thing, a gap over here. Make sure you line that up too. Otherwise it won't go in. So this way. Now it's in. Put this back. Okay, put this back where it's gonna snap in. Now I'm gonna screw this back in. I mean screw a bolt. Now you're gonna go this way. Tighten it now. Ball is in, and you still see how it's spins this way, but when you go back this way, see it turns now. So the dogs are working. Okay, that's how you know it's fixed. And to prove it, I'm gonna wash something and I'll show you when it starts spinning. Okay, here it is. It's working. So that's how you fix it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Yeah.